Tips on how to invest in cryptocurrencies when the market is uncertain. Can a trader be successful when investing in an uncertain market? Uncertain markets can pose some risk, but often yield the greatest reward. Bitcoin is just one example of an asset that has exceeded expectations regardless of market conditions. An uncertain market is defined by a market that is difficult to predict how it will perform in the future. For example, it is almost impossible for anyone to time a recession, pinpoint the exact start and end date, and which projects will thrive in difficult times. Is diversification an adequate strategy for investing in the cryptocurrency market? Diversification has met with controversy, namely because of the amount of technical knowledge required to truly diversify a cryptocurrency portfolio. Typically, the advice most often given to investors is diversify. The thought process is don't put all your money in one basket. What are other recommended strategies for investing in cryptocurrencies? Investors are often encouraged to utilize one of two strategies, either building a list of medium to high risk coins or seeing how the coin mimics the price of Bitcoin. How can users take advantage of opportunities in an uncertain market? Wallets that take multiple steps in asset exchange can help investors act on market opportunities quickly. Free Wallet offers a family of mobile-first cryptocurrency wallets with built-in functionality for buying and exchanging cryptocurrency assets. Free Wallet launched its first offering in 2016 and the start of the cryptocurrency boom.